Well, either A, I did the most horrifying thing I've ever done to my house, or B, I did the most coolest thing and it's gonna turn out. I'll show you. There's my liquid latex that I tinted. It's all over me. And I decided to dump it all into my front porch. My goal is it will just roll up and make one giant Nernie. If it doesn't, my husband might divorce me. Just giving it some texture and just hope for the best, I guess. Oh gosh, this is probably the scariest thing I've ever tried. There it is. So is that just moisture there, or is it gonna always be discolored? Here's another one. Can't be any worse than my glow-in-the-dark hands that are permanently on here, or the drips of red paint that are not supposed to be there. So it's almost ready to peel up. Well, it's been an hour since I painted this on here, and the sun has moved and dried it out, which made it a lot easier, honestly. And let's see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. So I can't tell if that right there is going to be just from moisture. It looks like it's already kind of disappearing. So I'm just going to start from the end and roll it up. Nurnies, Nurnies, everybody loves Nurnies. Nurnies, Nurnies, everybody's friend. Nurnies, Nurnies. What rhymes with Nurnies? Ernies and Kernies. Those aren't even words. I think the stuff that's not dry adds like some cool texture to it. Nurnies, Nurnies. Silly little vines. Nurnies, Nurnies. Make my haunt so fine. Nurnies, Nurnies. You're fun to play with. I like to peel you. It's so satisfying. And now you know I am not a singer. And I sing about my Nurnies. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. Honestly, I wish I like that little side guy there. I think I could just hose all this stuff off. It's working good. All right. Actually, it won't take forever. Look at that. Oh yeah, so satisfying. Oh my gosh, that's like the best thing ever. And then you just twist it up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. like the little Nernies. Nernies, so fun to play with. Like, twist them together. But something that was thick, look at, is thin. There it is. My big old, long, tendrily Nernies. That is a lot easier than the other way I did it. And then you can hang it on crap. It's me! Want to see my Nernies? Nernies, Nernies, all over Max. Nernies, Nernies. The upside down took over you. Oh. Now there's dog hairs in my Nernies. Seriously, like, Max. Like, look at that. You can wrap it all around you. You can be all spooky. Max. The upside down is on you. I'm such a mean mommy. Now let's make 100 more. Before we went ahead and made 100 more Nernies, I did a few tests. I wanted them to be thicker in different sizes. So what I did was purchase some backing rod from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. I even had some pool noodles, and I experimented with that. We rolled out the liquid latex. It was already tinted black, like the video. And what we did was we wrapped the latex around those noodles, the pool rods and the backing rods. And it made a really thick, cool looking Nernie. You could also put wire in there to bend it around things. We were really pleased with how they turned out, and so we made, I think, about 25 to 40 of those. This was the latex we used. So this is some of the other ones we made with the backing rod and the pool noodles, and they turned out super cool. So if you want to watch how we did that, check out the tendril videos where I made different types of tendrils and we created the upside down and then we hung them on our house. Super fun.